Here's a question for you. How will you eat an elephant?
Huh?
This isn't one of the strict question. I'm serious. How will you eat an elephant? Some of you may answer that you can't. Let's be real. It would seem impossible for a human being to eat an elephant, right? Let's approach this problem differently. We humans eat roughly around 1.5 kilograms of food each day. If an elephant weighs around 3500 kilograms, you could eat one in 2333 days. That is around 6.5 years. Hence, one answer would be to eat an elephant by cutting it into pieces and eating it over many years. Similarly, the most difficult task in our life can be dealt effectively by breaking them down into smaller pieces. Let's call this the E method. Basically, there are 3 steps you need to follow in order to achieve any massive goals or dream of your own. But before we dive into these steps, let's understand the psychology behind the E method and why it works. We humans are unique creature in animal kingdom. We are the only one with the ability to plan and prepare for the future. We can understand that we have exams, meeting, presentation to prepare for in that particular period of time. We can make a study plan, a backup plan if everything went wrong. But what about cows and monkeys?
Huh?
They cannot do that. They can only think about the moment or a day. But here's the catch. We humans are good at short-term effort. Why study all year when we can cram the night before the exam and still get by, right? We humans are not good at long-term effort. And the humans who are good at this get recognized by world. These people are no different from us. What's different is their consistent long-term effort toward their goal. And I'm here to show you how you can achieve those dreams practically. Some people have clear idea about their goals in life. They want to become a lawyer, a civil servant, engineer, doctor. These students are in zone. In such case, the elephant is staring right at you. If you want to become a doctor, you need to get admission into good medical college. Usually, that requires a massive preparation for an entrance exam. That's your medical exam elephant. Similarly, find your own big, juicy elephant. Don't be scared by its size. Everyone has its own unique elephant. For someone, it might be starting a business. For others, it might be starting their own law firm. Whatever it might be, just have a clear sight to your goal. Now that you have identified your elephant, your massive goal, it's time to chop it down into manageable pieces. You see, the biggest reason most people fail at achieving their goal isn't because they're lazy or incapable. It's because they're trying to take on too much at once. Imagine if you tried to eat the entire elephant in one sitting. It would be too much, right? But if you break it down into smaller, bite-sized pieces, it becomes doable. The same applies to your goal. Here's how to start. Break the goals into milestones. Every big goal is made up of smaller achievements. Want to run a marathon? Your milestone might be running a 5K, then a 10K, and so on. Want to get into medical school? Your milestone could be mastering subject one by one or acing smaller tests before the big exam. Creating a timeline. Once you have broken down your goal into milestones, set deadlines for each one. It's like having a roadmap with pit stops along the way, so you don't feel like you're lost or falling behind. Now that you have cut down your elephant, it's time to move on to last step. You have chopped your elephant into smaller, digestible chunks. Now comes the most important part, eating those pieces one at a time. This is where consistency and discipline come into play. You can't rush this process, but you also can't afford to stop halfway. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. And here's how to stay on track. Focus on one piece at a time. Multitasking might seem like a good idea, but it often leads to burnout and frustration. Instead, focus on one chunk of your goal. If you're studying for an exam, don't try to master every subject at once. Dedicate a week or two to a single subject before moving on to next. Celebrate small victories. Each piece you eat brings you closer to your goal. So celebrate. It doesn't have to be grand party, just something that keep you motivated or acknowledge your progress. The key is to keep your motivation high, adjust and adapt. Life isn't always going to stick to your plan. Sometimes you will need to adjust your timeline or the size of the piece you're eating. Don't be discouraged by this. Instead, see it as a natural part of the process. If the elephant is too tough to chew right now, maybe you need to sharpen your knife. At the end of the day, your goals, no matter how big, are achievable. You just need to approach them strategically. By following the E method, identifying your elephant, cutting it down, and eating one piece at a time, you will make a steady progress without getting overwhelmed. Remember, it's not about how quickly you can eat the whole elephant. It's about staying consistent and disciplined. And before you know it, you will have looked back and realized you have achieved something massive. Only 4.7% of you guys are subscribed. So, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind later.